Known enemy. Who's our enemy?
For the win!
Alright, let's go.
CodeCombat. Attack!
Your hero must survive, defeat the 3 ogres. Alright, so when you declare a variable like this, so that's the enemy, that's the enemy's name. When you use quotes, you're making a string. When you don't use quotes, you're referencing the variable. So it looks like we are creating variables versus just attacking each individual ogre. Okay. See how this, oh, they already created the variables for us. Boo. So we have enemy 1 is Krat, enemy 2 is Gert, enemy 3 is Ursa. So it looks like it's gonna attack the enemy. Excuse me. But I feel like it needs, like, we need to continuously attack them. That's what I'm thinking. Otherwise, how could we just attack them? Attack them once, and then we need to change the enemies. So we're gonna attack 1, 2, 3, and I guess just keep attacking them. We'll see how that goes. Probably made it too complicated, but
Attack! But it's dead!
okay, so we didn't need a while loop. Because it looks like it was just gonna attack. So let's take this out and see. Let's see if it makes a difference. Because it looks like the code was already written then and we just needed to change the variable. Let's run it again. Yeah. Oh, that was faster. Goodness. Okay, so we didn't need the while loop. I wasn't sure because from my understanding, anytime we attack enemies, we had to attack each one 3 times. So I figured we just had to keep going. Yeah. But we don't. It was just a variable. And this method wasn't, I think they had 1, 1, and 2, so we just had to update the variable. Known enemy. If you know, you know.